Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Hub of Knowledge Mac. Friends, today I got a request for making a video on 4-stroke engine. So during this session I will cover what is the 4-stroke engine and working principle of 4-stroke engine, and what is the suction stroke, compression stroke and power stroke and exhaust stroke practically. So please let me continue. दोस्तों, अगर आप डिग्री या डिप्लोमा करने के बाद कुछ सालों तक जॉब नहीं कर पाते हैं तो आप हमारा ट्रेनिंग कोर्स ज्वाइन करने के बाद अपना करियर रीस्टार्ट कर सकते हो और अपने आप को एक्सपीरियंस होल्डर शो कर सकते हैं। हमारे यहाँ से ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद कैंडिडेट का IQ लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाता है और कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप हो जाता है, क्योंकि सभी ट्रेनिंग प्रैक्टिकल व थ्योरेटिकल पढ़ाई जाती हैं और साथ में इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन भी करवाई जाती है। अगर आपको स्मार्ट स्किल डेवलप करके करियर में ग्रो करना है तो प्लीज़ स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें और हमारा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर ज्वाइन करें। नाउ फर्स्ट वी एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज 4-stroke इंजन। 4-stroke engine is an internal combustion engine in which piston completes the 4 separate strokes while turning the crankshaft. So friends, 4-stroke petrol engine working cycle complete in a 4 strokes. So first we understand what is stroke. Stroke is the full travel of piston along the cylinder. So this is the piston. Piston is moving around the length of cylinder. So this is the complete rotation is known as stroke. Now types of stroke. First one, suction stroke, or we can say intake stroke or admission stroke. Second one, compression stroke, and third one, power stroke, and fourth one, exhaust stroke. So friends, these are 4 type of strokes that will be covered during working of 4-stroke engine. Now let's understand 4-stroke details. First one, suction stroke. We can say it is intake stroke, also known as induction or suction. This stroke of the piston begins at top dead center TDC and ends at the bottom dead center BDC. In this stroke, the intake valve must be in the open position while the piston pulls and air-fuel mixture into the cylinder by producing vacuum pressure into the cylinder through its downward motion. The piston is moving down as air is being sucked in by downward motion against the piston. Understand it practically. First we explain suction stroke. This is the suction stroke. Here air-fuel mixture intake into the cylinder through the suction valve or intake valve. Now let's explain compression stroke. This stroke begins at bottom dead center or just at the end of the suction stroke and ends at TDC. In this stroke, the piston compresses the air-fuel mixture in preparation for ignition during the power stroke. Both the intake and exhaust valves are closed during this stage. During compression stroke, the exhaust valve and intake valve both are closed. Understand it practically. Now second one is compression stroke. When piston moving upward in cylinder, it compresses the fuel. It compresses up to the ignition temperature. This is the power stroke. When fuel is ignite, then piston move downward during power stroke. Now let's explain power stroke or combustion stroke. Combustion, also known as power or ignition, this is the start of the second revolution of the 4-stroke cycle. At this point, the crankshaft has completed a full 360-degree revolution. While the piston is at top dead center, the end of the compression stroke, the compressed air fuel mixture is ignited by a spark plug in a gasoline engine or by heat generated by high compression. So diesel engines forcefully returning the piston to BDC. This stroke produces mechanical work from the engine to turn the crankshaft. After combustion, next stroke is exhaust stroke. Exhaust, also known as outlet. During the exhaust stroke, the piston once again returned from BDC to TDC. While the exhaust valve is open, this action expels the spent air fuel mixture through the exhaust valve. फ्यूल के जल जाने के बाद जो वेस्ट फ्यूल होता है, जिसको हम धुआं बोलते हैं, वो एग्जॉस्ट वाल्व के थ्रू बाहर आ जाता है. आफ्टर कंबशन, पिस्टन सिलेंडर मूव अपवर्ड इनसाइड द सिलेंडर एंड एग्जॉस्ट वाल्व इज ओपन एंड इट रिमूव द burn ashes or burn waste fuel. After getting training from our training center, candidate can build up his smart skills for cracking interview and can get a good job in good organization. Now let's understand crankshaft turning position during working. So first stroke is intake stroke, then position is first, then crankshaft is toward the left side and rotation is right side. Second one, compression stroke, position 2, then crankshaft position is right side and rotation is anti-clockwise. Here piston is moving upward direction. In intake, piston is moving in downward direction. In third position, cranks come back at just like first position and rotating at clockwise. Here piston also moving down. Last one, exhaust valve. So crankshaft come back in second position, just like here exhaust valve is open and cylinder is moving upward direction and exhaust the combusted fuels or wasted fuel in outlet. So this is the fourth position of crankshaft during working of 4-stroke engine. Friends, if you watching ready-made paid videos, then no use for it, because by watching ready-made paid video, doubts are not clear. So don't waste time and money. So please join our live classes online as well as offline. The main objective of Hub of Knowledge Mac Training Center providing training, placement and development of career. Friends, if you need to grow in your career and need to build up a smart career, you can join our documentation training center Hub of Knowledge Mac. This is our advanced documentation training course template. Here we cover all topics with practical and theoretical, and more other technical topics will be cover that will be out of this template. Friends, we are providing live classes online and offline. Friends, if you join our complete advanced training course as shown in template, then job guarantee is 100% after completion of training course. If any guys interested, can contact on the number given on screen.